Hello everyone, this is Srikanth. Hope you all doing good. So I've been thinking of making some videos about this drawing and other stuff for quite a long time now, but I couldn't bring all the inputs needed together and I couldn't manage much of my time needed for this as well. So yeah, definitely took a while for me to arrange all these things. Doesn't matter. Now that I'm here, let's do it. So today's video is going to be about drawing heads, faces or portraits, whatever you call it, it all comes under the same group. The method I'm going to use now is a Rayleigh's method, which is an extension of Loomis method. This may look a little complicated in the beginning, but once you get good understanding of it, I can assure you that you can draw any face in the world just like that. So hang there with me till the end of the video and don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's start with a circle. Try to make it as perfect as you can. You can even use compass if you want. Now let's take an eyebrow line. It should always go through the center of the circle. No matter whom you are drawing, it should always go through the center of the circle, remember it. Now let's draw a hairline. You have to look in your reference picture that how much is the distance between eyebrow line and hairline. And then with the same distance, take nose line below the eyebrow line. And again with the same distance, take chin line. These three areas will be equal in the most of the cases. In other cases, you need to adjust the lines. Now let's draw these two side lines as if you are chopping a ball on the both sides. You will understand it better when we deal with the 3x4 view. So this is going to be a 3 video series. In the current video we are going to discuss about straight facing heads, and then in the next video we are going to cover the 3x4 view and then side angle and other various angles too. So to get notified when I drop those videos, all you need to do is subscribe and hit the bell icon. And now let's draw a middle line. And now we have to draw the bottom of the eye line. I'm not drawing Chris Hemsworth here, I'm just showing this picture for reference. Now take two vertical lines from the starting points of the eyes to the sides of the nose on the nose line. Now we need to draw this little bow area. Join this with intersections of these vertical lines and nose line. And take two dots on the middles of the both sides. Draw two lines which should go inward first and then outward on the both sides. Draw a little line down here which should be the bottom of the nose. And then draw two lines like this which gives us the side planes of the nose. Let's divide this area into three equal parts. They may not always be equal. Some people may have bigger chins or smaller chins. So it varies from people to people. Let's draw a small circle from here to the second line down here. It may not always be a perfect one and varies from person to person based on the smile. And this circle will give us the whole mouth area. Draw a smaller circle which should resemble the chin area. And from this line we can draw lips easily. Now draw a line from the side of the mouth to the intersection of these side lines and hairline. This will give us the cheek area. Draw it on the both sides. Now draw an arch from this point to the other one on the right side. Draw these two lines on the both sides which will give us the area between eyes and eyebrows. And now draw the jawline to the chin line down here. And draw these two lines on the both sides. This will give us the forehead. And from here we can draw eyes. And from this point we can draw ears on the both sides. With this we are finished with the proportions. And now we can draw hair and all the residual parts. This method will automatically tell us where to shade in the drawing. If the light source is on the right side, we have to shade these planes on the left side. So that's it for today, guys. Watch this video over and over until you completely understand it. And if you have any doubts, comment down below. DM me on my Instagram, which I'll provide link in the description below. And you'll get better understanding of this method in the 3x4 3. So let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Take care.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow.